Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Crystal.
And we are
FabFros&Fitness. Today we'll be showing you guys how to make a nice, healthy chicken meal, which is
chicken, pesto, chicken, and veggies.
Yes.
Look, y'all just gonna have to take it, okay?
And also, Ashley will be showing us how to make a delicious strawberry and banana pre-workout smoothie.
There you go.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay, so I went ahead and seasoned the chicken already. What I added was oregano leaves, some of the Creole seasoning, which is a substitute for seasoned salt. I have onion powder, and I also use basil leaves and black pepper. So I seasoned both sides of the chicken, and we added some olive oil to the pot, and we are going to cook the chicken on each side for 3 minutes until it turns white. So as y'all can see, my chicken is white on this side, just as the other half cooked. I like to turn my chicken on the side just to make sure that it cooks thoroughly. This part,
I want to make sure until it's like tender. When it starts breaking apart, that means it's done. While your chicken is cooking, you can cut your tomatoes, cherry tomatoes in half, and that's depending on however many you want. Once the chicken is done, we will put the green beans in the same pot that we cooked the chicken in and saute these for maybe 5 to 10 minutes and add the rest of the ingredients.
so my chicken is very tender. As you guys can see, it's breaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and take mine out. So we're basically, like Ashley said earlier, we're adding the green beans in the same grease that we cooked the chicken in. So I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic that's already chopped up. Going to add a little bit of the Creole seasoning, and I'm going to use some onion powder as well. And as you can see, Ashley and I, we like our food very seasoned.
Very.
We're going to cook this until it's tender as well. Unless you like yours crunchy. I like mine
In
between, yeah. And so, of course, the season from the chicken that's at the bottom of the pot will marinate on the green beans, so that's why I didn't add much of the seasoning. I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes. It looks so pretty, all the bright, vibrant colors. So our green beans are finished. They're tender. Now Ashley is adding the tomatoes, which we just added salt and pepper, because again, we love very seasoned food. We can't stress that enough. But we're just gonna let this marinate together.
Last but not least, the main ingredient, pesto sauce.
Here's our
pesto chicken and veggies.
Hope you guys liked the video. Looks delicious.
It looks good, but don't judge my presentation, all right, y'all?
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Also check the description below and we'll have our Instagram where you can find us as well. Bye.